Okay, let's see if we'll do this for the video camera. Put them in the order. Put them how they go. Yay! Smarty Pants! Smarty Pants does it in the right order. You want to do it again? Do it again. Or just throw it across the room. That's not right.